Okay, Judge.
Good morning. This is Judge Alyssa Perez resuming the criminal docket for the 210th District Court for March 22nd, 2022. Again, all matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives regarding COVID-19. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. Mr. Pantoja, call our next case, please.
Yes, Judge. It's cause number 2021-0D01363, State of Texas versus David Munoz. Announcement to council, please.
Roa King for the state of Texas.
Okay, Mr. Munoz, are you connected? Please unmute if you're connected. Mr. Munoz, are you on the Galaxy A12? If you could unmute, please.
That should be him, Judge. You know what? I had muted him and I told him, I tried to explain the process to him yesterday. So
Okay,
I'm hoping that he is able to hear us. He just needs to unmute. Mr. Munoz, on your phone, sir, you should be able to unmute.
is it *6, Erica, or swipe right or something like that? It says tap to speak.
There you go. No.
Okay, now, oh, do that again and then don't do anything else, Mr. Munoz.
It is *6.
Thank you, Erica.
You're welcome.
Mr. Munoz, can you try again, please, to unmute because I cannot hear you. There, no, there you are. Are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, don't do anything else and just stay connected, please.
Okay,
This is
because
Judge
I don't have
Perez.
video anymore, but I can hear you.
Okay, wonderful. I can hear you too. We are here for a
Thank
probation.
you, finally.
Okay, we are here for a probation status hearing. I'm reviewing a case summary. I understand there is a rearrest for criminal trespass, Ms. Pineda, on March 2nd. I also see he got cited for public intox. I guess he was arrested for public intox on March 6th. He only pled in February of this year, February 15th, and we've got an active bench warrant. The recommendation from probation is that you do a 90-day inpatient rehab treatment with Casa Vida.
Yes.
So that's what I'm going to order.
And what is that, ma'am? It's because right now, ma'am, unfortunately, I'm homeless, but I am a diesel technician, and I've been working, and I have no transportation, ma'am, and I'm finally got with somebody to get an apartment this weekend, and there's two companies looking to hire me, which is MHC Kenworth, the dealership, and Rush Truck Center, the dealership.
Yes,
It's
Mr.
still in the
Munoz,
process.
and I think that's great, Mr. Munoz. I think
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
really good. My problem is in less than a month after you pled guilty, you got arrested twice. I don't want you to
Twice, I
say, I
understand.
don't want you to tell me anything about those cases, and please don't speak over me. But what
Yes, ma'am.
probation is telling me is that you have an issue that requires treatment.
Yes, ma'am.
So Ms. Pineda is here from the probation office. Ms. Pineda, can you enlighten the court about the process of getting Mr. Munoz connected with services through Casa Vida?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe I'm trying to just double check. Ms. Garcia, who is his probation officer, will be getting in contact with, I believe it was Mario Mendoza from the rehab center at Casa Vida for him to start some kind of process with Mr. Munoz. It's rehab. The first 6 to 7 days, it's a fully detox. And then it's a 90-day program. Just to make a clarification, it is, it's not a lockdown facility, but it's voluntary, you know, on clients' behalf.
Are they allowed to work and do things like that?
Let me double check on that.
Is Casa Vida the one that's there, like here central, like by Piedras, that area?
I believe so, Judge.
Okay, I don't think they get to leave, do they? I didn't think they got to leave for those 90
Because
days.
I am working.
I thought you said you were pending interviews
Yes,
or,
MHC and Peterbilt, but I'm a contractor, man. Right now, I'm at a job site right now.
Your Honor, if I may.
Mhm.
So there, he did pick up on March 2nd, 2022, for burglary of a habitation, which I have requested to get presented to our office. And he also picked up a public intoxication. That was on March 6th, right after he was
Right.
released.
I had the March 2nd arrest being a criminal trespass. You have it down as a burglary of habitation?
Yes, Your Honor. And he was instructed, I believe, in the last hearing to provide a UA.
Mhm. Did he do that on the,
He's court ordered to take weekly testing, which, according to Ms. Garcia.
yeah, never provided?
he-
Mr. Munoz,
Yes,
I think I was being generous with that offer of going to treatment. I'll be very honest. I want a
Yes,
bench
ma'am.
warrant. I want a bench warrant. You are not compliant. You have basically gone out and done whatever you want. You're not compliant with any of the testing. And you picked up new offenses. No, no, no. I don't
Yes,
have anything to say to you other than expect to turn yourself in because I am requesting that probation provide me with a bench warrant.
Your Honor, if you may give me a second, I understand your stance. I did mess up, with that trespassing and.
Please
and-
don't speak. Oh, the bench warrant is already active. Oh, okay. Sorry. You know what? I already did what I thought I should be doing. So you need to speak with your probation officer and turn yourself in. I don't need you to tell me anything. In fact, don't tell me anything about new cases because the DA is sitting here ready to listen to everything you have to say, and anything you say can be used against you. So feel free to mute yourself and get ready to turn yourself in on that bench warrant. Thank you, Mr. Munoz.
Thank you, Judge Alyssa Perez.
Bye-bye.